Right. What you've got to do, you've got to try and spit on one of the cars as they go past. Do you reckon you can do it?
Yeah.
See.
So we're here at Race Wars Round 2, mission to send, borrowed an R31 Skyline, and it's my turn to go on record.
Right, James, what are these marks on your car?
So that's Tim.
Tim?
That's Tim. If you come around here, Tim again.
Tim McKinn. Now, what happened there was, that was the front.
Yeah,
That was a big hit. What is going on here? Why are you in a BMW that you crashed into?
I needed to crash the dent back out of it.
Will this be the most powerful drift car you've ever driven?
Oh, damn.
Up there.
Yeah, it's up there, Definitely the fastest, and every other one that I've driven, so probably the other two, are within 50 kilowatts.
So do I have to get out on track because you're about to send it hard?
I'm going to do a nice roll lap, and then I'm going to do it.
There's not going to be a roll lap, is there? Don't lie. Right, I want to be out on track to be filming, but Timmy's just borrowed James's Beamer with the 1J in it, and it's getting towed back to the pits after his second lap, so we're going to go and find out what's going on there. And just to clarify, he has broken every car he's touched this weekend. The waiting party.
That's good.
You're smiling a lot for a bloke that's broke someone else's car.
Well, I don't know what happened, man, and I'm like, but your gearbox just locked up on me.
Really?
I was coming in turn, I just let me drop third, and the whole thing just locked up, put the clutch in, rolled to a stop. What? Weird. The gearbox is fucked. It made a hell bad. Nah, it's just power steering belt. Yeah, I didn't want to overheat it. Yeah. I saw the temperature start to go up as I came out of turn 4 and I went, nah. Squeeze, I'm sorry, but that's not it. I'm doing another lap. Like.
I've got another belt.
That is so incredible.
Yeah. Well, let's put a belt on and go.
Yeah, I'm down.
How was it?
Wicked. That I haven't driven a car like this before. That's all I can say. This thing, it's just fast. It's real fast.
Thank you for letting me have the seat.
Any final words, Clinton?
This is gonna be fucking epic.
There's a reason we call this mission to send.
Right, we're away. We're with Timmy and James's 1J, built 1J, 400 kilowatt BMW.
This is my second lap.
This is his second lap ever.
We just did one then, you'll see it. It was pretty tricky.
It is tough.
I was happy.
Is this the toughest car you've ever driven?
This is the toughest car I've ever driven. Sorry, I'm going to say a big shout out to Jake Martin. He is my lead mechanic for my car. And I'm sorry, but this is better than yours.
Oh,
it's
just
ripped up now.
It's time to fucking get it on like Donkey Kong. Let's do this. This helmet's like 3 sizes too small for me.
So it's 3 times too big. Alright.
Fuck yeah. I reckon you drive this better than James drives it.
No, we're not
I'm gonna say I'm gonna put that on camera.
Oh my god,
that was deep. That was so good.
That is just lock and grip right there. This thing, hands down.
Fuck yeah.
Best.
That was mental. Boss run. Absolutely boss run.
That was tricky. Holy shit.
Yes!
Are you joking? Are you joking? What is this? Oh.
Wow, what an amazing weekend, and just reliving that experience with Timmy driving in that BMW was just crazy while I was sitting there editing. I just had to throw this in at the end. Thanks very much, Tim, for letting me co-passenger with you. That was absolutely mental. You know what I'm talking about, like that. You just steered that like a boss, and the car did exactly what it was supposed to do. Hats off to James at Jet Automotive for building such an amazing rig. Yeah, congratulations to all the drivers. You put on a top show. There's lots of sick footage for me to put up, so stay tuned and stay subscribed because there's lots more to come from this weekend. I've still got footage from Tassie Nats to come up, but I just had to get on and put this up because I just knew how epic of a day, like how epic of a run and how much fun that was with him. Cheers to all the drivers for all your GoPro footage and all that sort of stuff, and congratulations to everyone else for having such a great time. And cheers to Drifting Taz and all the organisers and Sam Harvey for doing such a great job to organise this weekend. Yeah, that's it. Make sure you like and subscribe. This video was nuts, but there's plenty more to come. and we'll see you on the next one. It's just, oh God, that was it. There's just, I don't know what else to say. Yeah, it was just absolutely baller. It was so good.